Hey guys, Tony here at Stagecoach Pharmacy answering another question I get a lot. The question is, how did we get started at Stagecoach Pharmacy? Many years ago, almost 10, I used to work for Walmart. I was a pharmacist in charge, and I couldn't really see what was happening behind the curtain. I didn't understand how drugs were priced, how we determined what prices to sell those drugs to customers, and how well the store that I was managing was doing. So I decided to start my own pharmacy out of curiosity to see what was going on behind the curtain. That was back in 2015, so we've been around for almost 10 years now. October will be our 10-year anniversary. It's been a really good journey since, and what we've discovered is having multiple wholesalers is what allows us to be most competitive in the retail drug market. When I worked at the big box pharmacy, I was only allowed to use one wholesaler, which meant that the prices were relatively fixed. What we do differently here at Stagecoach is we shop multiple wholesalers depending on how quickly customers need their medication, and that allows us to tailor the price that's best suited to our customers. Oftentimes, customers take lots of maintenance medication, so there's really no need for them to overpay for that maintenance medication. And we're able to shop better prices because we can put wholesalers against each other and take that savings and pass it on to our customers. Oftentimes, the opposite is also true. We have customers who need something very quickly, and they're willing to pay more to have that delivered to them quickly. It's generally not as common in the area that we're in. So we mostly serve Central Texas, but we do have a lot of people who are in the further corners of Texas. It takes a little bit longer for us to get them their medication, but they're willing to wait a little longer because it allows them to get better pricing. So if you are in the state of Texas, you can use Stagecoach Pharmacy. We'd love to have you as a new customer. We also get a lot of customers from Costco and Sam's Club. Those prices tend to be the most competitive, but oftentimes we can even beat their prices. And it defeats the purpose of having one of those memberships. A lot of customers I know will stick with the big warehouses because of their drug prices, but many times we're finding that we're actually cheaper than those prices. A lot of times their customers will reach out to us and say, hey, Sam's Club or Costco has it for this price. Can you beat that price? We do some quick research. Most of the time we can, and we're happy to bring those customers on board and start getting their medications shipped to them as well. So in short, Stagecoach started out as a result of my own curiosity when I was working for one of the big box stores. And there's nothing wrong with those stores. They have a very important need. They serve a lot of people in a lot of different parts of the community. But many people do realize that medication is a commodity and you really shouldn't be overpaying for it, especially if you can avoid overpaying for your medication. I tell people it's a lot like gasoline or diesel for your vehicle. Wherever is most affordable and most convenient tends to be the place that most people should go. And our goal is to be the most convenient and most affordable for our customers. And when we're not the most convenient or the most affordable pharmacy, we let our customers know. This gives them the option to A, trust us, and B, look at alternatives if that suits their needs better. Our goal is to be patients' number one resource, their first resource when they need a medication. And if we can't help them, we can point them in the direction that can. We find that telling customers the truth and making the process easy for them is the best way to keep our customers happy and grow our business. So, question I get a lot is, how did Stagecoach Pharmacy get started? Really just got tired of not knowing how my industry worked on the business side, so I started a pharmacy to figure it out, and I don't see myself going back for a long time. Anyway, take care, folks.